अथ योगानुशासनम. Yoga is a part of Indian lifestyle from ancient era. It is the essential need of today and the culture of tomorrow. अपनी अंतरात्मा के साथ एकाकार होने के अनुभव को योग कहते हैं. स्थिर सुखम आसन. आसन शरीर की वह स्थिति है जिसमें आप अपने शरीर और मन के साथ शांत, स्थिर एवं सुख से रह सकें. आसनों का अभ्यास स्वास्थ्य लाभ एवं उपचार के लिए किया जा सकता है. योग करने का फ़ायदा हमें तभी मिलेगा जब हम इसे सही तरीके से करेंगे. इफ़ यू डोंट नो राइट टेक्निक देन यू वोंट गेट रिजल्ट्स. मैं आपको यहाँ डेली फिटनेस रूटीन वाले योग की सही टेक्निक्स बताने जा रही हूँ. इस प्रोग्राम में आपका फुल बॉडी वर्कआउट हो जाता है. साथ ही आपका नर्वस सिस्टम, इम्यून सिस्टम और डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम स्ट्रेंथन होता है. आपकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बढ़ती है एंड यू विल गेट फुल फिटनेस एंड प्रोपोर्शनेट बॉडी. डेली प्रैक्टिस विल लीड्स टू perfection of these asanas. Every asana is explained in details. Follow the sequence and get overall fitness. And these sequence of asanas will be showed to you by my student. She is just 12 years old and doing yoga with me from last 1 year only. हम स्ट्रेचिंग से शुरू करेंगे और ओम चैंट्स पर फिनिश करेंगे.
नमस्ते, समग्र योगा में आपका स्वागत है.
Namaste. Don't forget to subscribe to Indore Talkies for more yoga updates with Samagra Yoga. Thank you.
Start with the first Tadasana, palm tree pose. Stand with their feet together, arms by the side. Raise your arms over the head. Interlock your fingers. Turn palm your upward ceiling and lift your heel up. Stretch your arms. Bring your stomach in. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Go on toe. Bring your stomach in. Slow exhale. Inhale, bring your stomach in, stretch maximum, exhale 3, 2 more time, inhale, exhale, 1 more time, lift your heel up, bring your stomach in and stay in the pose, stretch maximum, look on a point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. Relax. Deep breathing. Second warm-up pose is Tiryak Tadasana. Stand with the feet about 2 feet apart. Interlock the fingers and turn the palms upward. Inhale and raise the arms over the head. While exhaling, bend the left side from the waist 90 degree. Few seconds stay. Slowly inhale, come in the center and exhale, go right side. Few seconds stay. Again inhale in the center, left side 90 degree, bend your waist. Inhale in the center, exhale right side 90 degree bend. Inhale in the center, exhale left side. Inhale, exhale right side. Inhale in the center. Slowly come back and relax, deep breathing. Warm up exercise next is Kati Chakrasana, waist rotating pose. Stand with the feet about 2 feet open your legs and the arms by the side. Take a deep breath in while rising the arms on shoulder level. Breath out and twist the body to the left. Inhale, come in the center, twist to the right. Inhale, with breathing in the center, go left side. Inhale, in the center, right side, exhale. Do this practice 5 to 10 rounds daily.
Now, the next asana is
Tree pose. Stand upright with the feet together and the arms at the side. Focus on a point in front of the body at eye level. Bend the left leg, grab the ankle and place the sole of the foot on the inside of the right thighs. The heel should be close to the perineum and the right knee should be point out to the side. Hold the ankle until the body is balanced. Then place the hands in the prayer position in front of the chest for the final position. Release the pose completely and change the side. Slowly change the side and stay the same. First position, Surya Namaskar. The prayer pose, physical awareness on your chest area and spiritual awareness on Anahat Chakra. The second position, raise your arms, Hasta Uttanasana. Elbow should be straight. Awareness, stretch of the abdominal and expand your lungs. The spiritual awareness on Vishuddhi Chakra. Third position, Padhasta Asana. With the lower back bent forward, palm on the floor, head to knee. The physical awareness on the pelvic region, the spiritual on the Swadhisthana Chakra. Inhale. Fourth position is Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. Take your left leg back. Both the palm on the floor, look forward. Back knee straight. The awareness of physical from the thighs to the chest or on the eyebrow center. The spiritual awareness on Agya Chakra. Next position, Parvatasana. The mountain pose. Exhale, physical awareness on the throat and on your hips. Stretch your calf muscles and shoulders maximum, head on the floor. The spiritual awareness on Vishuddhi Chakra. Ashtang Namaskar is the next position. Drop your knee, inhale. Drop your chest, exhale between the palms. Physical awareness on the abdominal region and the spiritual awareness on Manipur chakra. Inhale, push your body forward, go in the cobra pose, Bhujanga Asana. Physical awareness on relaxation of the spine and the spiritual awareness on Swadhisthana chakra. Go in the mountain pose again, repeat the same pose. Ashwasanchalanasana and the horse pose. Padhastasana, forward bending. Hasta Uttanasana, stretch your stomach and the prayer pose. Relax.
Now the next asana is
Gomukhasana. Sit straight. Now the right knee is directly above the left knee. Place the left arm behind the back and the right arm over the right shoulder. Catch your both the palms, look forward, stretch your right arm maximum and stay in the pose for 5 seconds. Concentrate on Agya Chakra. Awareness on respiration. Gently change the leg and hand, and the same with the left leg. Awareness on respiration and spiritual awareness on Agya Chakra or Anahat Chakra. Focus on your breath and stay and enjoy the pose. And relax. Release your hands and legs. Deep breathing.
Now the next asana is
Meru Vakrasana. Spinal twist. The spinal twist. Sit with the leg outstretched. Turn the trunk slightly to the right and place the right hand behind the body in the center to spine and the left buttock with the fingers pointing backward. Place the left hand behind the slightly to the side of the right buttock. Yes. Bend your right knee, twist the head 180 degree, right as the comfortable. Using the arms as levers and while keeping the spine upright and straight, and stay in the pose. Knee should be straight towards ceiling. Stay for few seconds. Slowly release your left hand Release your head and neck. Release your right leg and right hand. Come back. Take a deep breath and change your leg. This time, take your left hand back between the spine. Bend your left knee. Knee should be 90 degrees straight. Drop your right palm. Twist your head and neck 180 degree back. Look back and stay. Right leg should be straight. And stay few seconds. Then release your right hand. Left hand, left leg, and relax. Deep breathing. Deep inhale, slow exhale.
Now, the next asana is
Paschimottanasana, back stretching pose. Sit straight, leg outstretched, feet together and hands on the knees. Relax the whole body, look forward. Slowly raise your hands up. Inhale, with the lower back bend forward. Hold your big toe. Bend your both the elbows, chin on the knee. Stay for a few seconds. Physical awareness on the abdomen, relaxation of the back muscles, and slow breathing process, and spiritual on Swadhisthana chakra. Slowly come back, release your hands. Inhale and exhale both the hands down. Deep breathing.
now the next asana is
Ushtrasana, camel pose. Sit in Vajrasana. Stand on the knees with the arms at the sides. The knees and feet should be together. Inhale, slowly raise your hands up and rotate your one by one both the hands. Catch your ankle. Push your back forward. Relax your legs. Stay in the pose. Slow breathing. Physical awareness on abdomen, throat, spine, and natural breath. Very slow. Come back. Relax. Deep breathing.
the next asana is
Marjari Asana, get stretch pose. Sit in Vajrasana, raise the buttocks and stand on the knees. The hands should be lie with the knees below the shoulder. Distance between the knee, toes and hands up to the shoulder level. Slowly inhale, pressure on your spine, expand your lungs and deep breathing. When exhale, tuck your tummy, round your back, hunch back, chin to the throat. Do the 5 rounds. Inhale, pressure on your spine, and exhale, hunch back. Inhale, deep breathing, expand your lungs, pressure on your spine. Exhale, hunch back. Inhale up. Exhale, round your back. Slowly come back. Sit in Vajrasana again and deep breathing.
The next asana is
Shashankasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Place the palm on the thighs just above the knees. Slowly inhale. Raise your hand up. Arms ear to arms, and with the lower back bend forward. Don't lift your hip up. Head on the floor, forehead on the floor. Exhale. Stay few seconds and inhale. Raise your hand up. Expand your lungs, deep breathing, and slowly hands on the knee. Come back.
the next asana is
Shavasana. Feet apart. Both the palms towards ceiling open. Relax your legs, spine, shoulders, neck and head. Whole body in the comfortable position. Concentrate on your breath only.
now the next asana is
Halasana. Plow pose. Lie flat on the back with the legs and feet together. Place the arms beside the body with the palms facing downward. Slowly raise your both the legs. Knee should be straight up to the 90-degree Ardha Halasana. Stay few seconds in the Ardha Halasana. Push your both the palm on the floor and take your both the legs parallel to face. Hold your buttocks and push your back. Go in the plow pose. Drop your toes down. Interlock your both the hands on your head and stay in the pose, final position. Few seconds stay. Awareness on the abdomen, relaxation of the back muscles, the spiritual awareness on Manipur chakra or Vishuddhi chakra. Slowly release your hands, both the hands in the side. Press your palm down, lift your toes up. Very slow. Drop your upper back, drop your lower back. Up to the last, knee should be straight. Release your both the legs slowly down. Relax in the Shavasana. Deep breathing.
the next asana is
Karnapidasana. Lie flat on the back with the leg and feet together. Place the arm beside the body with the palm facing down. Lift your both the legs. Inhale 90-degree up. Stay. Push your palm down. Take your leg in the Halasana. Hold your back. Bend your both the knee. Touch your ears. Interlock your both the hands on your under the thighs, on head, and stay in the pose for few seconds. Natural breath. Awareness on abdomen, back muscles and respiration system. This is very good for thyroid gland. Spiritual awareness on Vishuddhi Chakra, on your throat. Slowly release your hand. Both the knees straight. Push your palm. Lift your both the toes. Gently drop your upper back, lower back. Stay in 90 degree. Go down. Knee should be straight. Relax. Deep breathing.
Now, the next asana is
Matsya Asana, fish pose. Sit in Padmasana and relax the whole body. Carefully bend backward, body with the arms and elbow supporting your elbow, and go back. With the palms, bend your neck as much as you can. Big arch in your back. Drop your knee down. Hold your big toes, elbow on the floor. Try to push your knee down and stay for few seconds. Awareness on the abdomen, chest, and slow breath. Spiritual awareness on Manipur Chakra or Anahat Chakra. The benefit of asana is for thyroid gland and abdominal organs, very useful for remove the constipation, and in the swimming strokes you can swim so many times, long time in water, stay in long time in water. Gently come back, release your neck. With the elbow, sit straight and release your legs. And relax. Deep breathing.
the next asana is
Gandharasana, shoulder pose. Lie flat on the back. Bend the knees, placing the soles of the feet flat on the floor, with the heels touching the buttocks. The feet and knee may be the hip width apart. Distance between both the feet. Grasp the ankle with the hand. Raise the buttocks and arch the back upward. Try to raise the chest and navel as high as possible, pushing the chest up toward the chin and head without moving the position of the feet of the shoulders. Stay in the pose for few seconds. Hold the pose. Breathing, inhale deeply in the starting position and slowly exhale and natural breath. Duration, practice for 5 to 10 rounds and stay for 10 seconds. Awareness on movement of the abdominal region for the thyroid gland and spiritual awareness on Vishuddhi Chakra or Anahat Chakra. Slowly come back, release your back. Release your right leg and then left leg. Relax in Shavasana. Deep breathing.
Now, the next asana is
Pavan Mukta Asana. Lie in the best position. Both the legs join. Both the hands in the side. Bend the right knee and bring the thigh to the chest. Bend your left knee on your stomach, knee on the chest. Keep the leg straight and both the knee join. Interlock your both the hands and hug your knees. Try to join your knees and slowly raise your neck up, lift your neck up between the knees. Press your abdomen as much as you can. Pressure on the abdomen and the movement on your abdomen. Slowly stay in the pose for a few seconds. This is very important and effective for removing the veins and constipation. Release your both the hands. Release your neck. Slowly release your legs. Exhale. Relax and deep breathing.
the next asana is
Shalabhasana, lotus pose. Lie flat on the stomach with the legs and feet together and the soles of the feet upward. Arms may be placed entire under the body. Slowly raise your both the legs up to 50° up. Keeping them straight and together. Hold the final position for the long time at the 10 seconds or as comfortable without strain. Slowly lower the leg to the floor, come back and relax.
now the next asana is
Naukasana, boat pose. Lie in the best position, palms down. Breathe deeply. Hold the breath and then raise the legs. Arms, shoulders, head and trunk off the ground. Lift up. Spine should be in the slope, not in the curve. Look your big toe and stay in the pose. On the breath, concentrate on your breath. Mental counting and trains the body. In the final position, stay for a few seconds. Benefit of asana for digestive system, circulatory system and nervous system, hormonal disbalance and all the organs removes. Very slow, come back.
The next asana is
Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Lie flat on the stomach with the legs straight. Feet together and the sole of the feet uppermost. Place the palm of the hands flat on the floor, below and slightly to the side of the shoulders. Fingers should be together, forehead on the floor. Slowly lift your forehead, lift your chest, both the legs join and up to the navel, lift up, look up to the navel only, lift your stomach and look up, open your shoulder, expand your chest, expand your lungs, concentrate on your breath. Awareness on the stretch of the muscles of the back. Spiritual awareness on Swadhisthana chakra. The benefit for Bhujangasana increase the flexibility, very slow, come back.
now the next asana is
Dhanurasana, bow pose. Lie flat on the stomach with the legs and feet together and the arms and hand beside the body. Bend your knees. Bring the heels close to the buttocks. Clasp the hand around the ankles. Lift your chest, thighs, look up. Keep the hands and arms straight. Pressure on your stomach. Inhale deeply and strain. Awareness on the abdominal region, the back. Deep breathing, very slow. Come back. And relax in the Makarasana. Kapalbhati Pranayama, frontal brain cleansing breath. Sit in any comfortable position, any Dhyanatmak asana, Padmasana, Siddhasana, Swastikasana, and spine straight. Hands resting on the knees in Gyan Mudra. The pre-pose, breath of fire, you use your right hand, close your left nostril. Inhale with the right nostril, exhale through the left nostril with pump your stomach. Quickly, 20 strokes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Deep inhale with the right nostril. Take a deep breath. Hold your breath few seconds. Exhale through the left nostril. Slowly in the double speed. Inhale with the left nostril and quickly exhale through the right with pump your stomach. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Close your right nostril. Inhale with the left. Deep inhale. Hold your breath few seconds and exhale through the left nostril. hand on knee. Kapalbhati. Inhale, passively exhale forcefully. Concentrate on your exhalation only. Start in the flow. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Deep inhale, expand your chest. Stay and slowly exhale. In the double speed, exhale. Awareness, rhythmic on breathing. Awareness on your breath. Keep count and repetition. Rub your palms together. Gently put on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you.